Hello students, my name is Jatin Samra, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from Jaipur Engineering College, Kukas. In the manufacturing of the powder metallurgy product, after the powder production, we have to get the second process is blending and third process is compacting. So both the processes of powder metallurgy we are discuss in these slides. First of all, what is the meaning of blending? A mean metallic powder may not have all the properties. Hence, a number of different powders with the requisite properties are mixed to achieve the necessary balance of properties. Blending or mixing are carried out to achieve uniformity of the product manufactured. The process of mixing includes mixing of various metal powders with lubricants, as a result of which the powder are truly intermingled. Lubricants are mixed with powder to minimize the wear to dies, reduce friction between the surface of dies and the particles of powder during compaction. The shaft of rotating drum continuously rotate and mix the powder in the drum. So after the mixing the powder, we have to apply the third process named as compacting. The powder compacting is the process of compacting metal powder through the application of high pressure. The press used for compacting may be either mechanically or hydraulically operated. It may be appreciated that powder under pressure does not behave like a liquid. Pressure is not distributed equally throughout. Two punches are commonly used to compact metal powder in the die. This results in a stronger and denser part. The punches are located at each end of the die and normally operated independent of each other. In automatic press, one or a number of press are produced at each stroke of the machine. In compacting, loose powder is compressed into a shape known as a green compact. The desired characteristic of compacting are high product density, uniformity of that density throughout the compact. Compacting pressure required vary depending upon the type of metal used. The mechanism of compacting are likely governed by friction between die and particles and between powder particles. As the compacting increases, plastic deformation and interlocking of the particle occurs. The compacting process can be done by the two methods: die compacting and roll compacting. In this figure, we have to shown the compacting method. How the metal powder is compacted by this method. They have three figures will be there: A, B and C. In A figure, we have to shown the lower punch, and feed shoe we have to shown from the upper side. This feed shoe is a fixed and the lower punch is a moving in the die. Die have filled the powder and after then force is applied by the lower punch. This is a single punch method. And in B diagram we have to shown the double punch method. In the diagram of B we have using the two punches, lower punch and upper punch. Same as figure A, the powder is filled between the die and the force is applied both of the side of the punches and the powder is deforming a compact shape. In diagram C, we have to shown after the ejection of the punches, we have to shown a compact shape of powder is there. This compact shape is called the green compact. We have to see the example of compacting a spur gear. In diagram B, they have a typical tool set of compacting of spur gear: upper punch, lower punch, and die. We have to shown in the diagram of B. And in A, compacting of metal powder to form a brushing. The pressed powder part is called the green compact. So we have to see in this figure, they have lower punch, they have upper punch, and the die is there, and the powder is filling in between the die. And after then, we have to show in second diagram, the upper punch and lower punch, they have applied the force on the powder. And after then, we have to eject the punches. And last diagram, we have to show the compact shape of powder. This is called the green compact. And this green compact is shown like a spur gear. So this is a process to compact the powder. Thank you. Thank you, students.